we could set a featured image for this article as well. Click on featured image. We could use this image here, save it. It's actually an animated GIF image, as you can see here, GIF, which is why the image is moving. Now you may be wondering, we already have this image over here, but you have to remember that if you click on text, this image is actually linked from this URL on medium.com. So the current image here is not actually located in your web hosting server. So you can leave it as it is like this, or you could change this image by uploading it into your web hosting server. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's get rid of this image and upload that exact image here on our server. Let's give it a good title, say business card that reads your heart rate. And you could always select the size here and click insert into post. Let's align it to be at the center like this. Good. Now let's go down and continue to set this image as our featured image. Good. Then we could either preview it If you're okay with this, just click Publish. And let's view the final result. So as you can see here, you have a date when this article is published over here compared to a WordPress page which you do not have this date.